Hello, nice to see you. You are supposed to be Lucy's father? Yes, my name's William. It's great to see you. Mr. William, this is Lucy's teacher, Miss Michelle. Hi, Michelle. May I ask why I'm here? Well, we are sorry to inform you that your daughters were caught cheating on the exam. We would like to have an open, honest, and direct conversation with you. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. My daughter cheated on the exam? How could it happen?
Mr. William, please settle down. We understand that you are shocked. In fact, we did too. But we have the evidence for that.
What is the evidence?
I want to confirm if this is your daughter's handwriting or not.
Yes, it's my daughter writing. I saw her write this one the night before the examination. But she said it just helped her to memorize things better if she wrote them down.
Our school has a rule that none of the documents are allowed to be in the examination room, including this little note. She put it in her pocket.
How could you be sure that she put it in her pocket?
As a teacher, I could tell when a student was lying. When I was about to go to her seat, the note just fell out of her pocket.
Oh my, I'm lost for words. I'm in a complete shock.
Don't take it so serious, Mr. William. Kids make mistakes sometimes. It's not a big surprise. We can't change what happened, but we can change the future. Let's think about how we should talk to Lucy after this.
What is her punishment?
We haven't decided on the punishment yet. If Lucy admits what she did and tells the truth, we can consider letting her clean the classroom for a week. In the worst case, if she keeps denying her fault, then she leaves us no choice but to move her to another class. I mean the lower class.
Oh dear, I can't imagine how she would feel about it. May I talk to my daughter now? Definitely, Mr. William. Lucy is sitting in the room next door. You can talk to her there. And then we can go back to our discussion. Thank you, Mr. Principal. Thank you, Miss Michelle. I'll be back. Hi, babe.
Daddy, please believe me, I didn't do that.
Okay, sit down and stop crying. You look terrible, honey.
I'm freaking out. Nobody trusted me, even Miss Michelle.
It's okay, Lucy. I trust you. I have your back. There's nothing to be scared of.
I cannot stop crying.
And just cry some more. Cry the river, build a bridge, and get over it.
I will wash my face first.
Okay. Do you feel better? Now, tell me everything.
What did the teacher tell you?
What they said doesn't matter. I want to hear the story from you.
I wrote everything that I needed to remember on the paper last night. This morning, I lent it to Bianca. She said that she wanted to look at the map again. I didn't remember if I took back the paper or not. But then, for some reason, it went back to my pocket and fell out onto the ground. Miss Michelle saw that and she thought I was using it for the test.
Who was sitting close to you on the test?
Luke sat in front of me. Next to me were Bianca and David. Behind me was Mike.
Do you think Bianca put a note in your pocket when you did not notice?
I don't think so. She's my best friend. She would never do anything harmful to me.
Did you talk to Bianca?
No, I didn't. Miss Michelle asked me to come to Mr. Principal's office immediately after that. I didn't have a chance to explain or talk to anybody.
Let's come back with me to Mr. Principal's office. We need to make it clear.
Yes, Daddy?
Hi, I'm back. I think my daughter and I would like to talk about the issue again. Sure, please sit down. Let me call Miss Michelle. And Bianca too, please. Who is Bianca? One of Lucy's classmates. Is she related to anything in this story? I guess so. I cannot call a student to my room just because a parent wants to. I need a reason for that. Well, she is the one who sat next to my daughter in the exam room. Actually, they were best friends. Before the test, she borrowed my daughter's note and did not return it. Surprisingly, it appeared in my daughter's pocket during the test. I doubt that Bianca cheated on the test, not Lucy. I did not hear anything from Miss Michelle about that. Lucy, why didn't you say anything about that?
I was so scared, and you did not give me a chance to explain. All of you excused me.
Would you please hurry up? I don't have a whole day for this thing. Hello, Miss Michelle. Please come back to my office and take Bianca with you. Thank you. We are waiting for you. Hi, why do I need to bring Bianca here? She did nothing wrong. Are you sure about that, Miss Michelle? Yes, I saw the note come out of Lucy's pocket, not Bianca's. Did you consider the possibility that somebody put a note back in Lucy's pocket? Lucy told me that she gave Bianca the note before the test. Is that true, Bianca?
Yes.
Did you give it back to Lucy?
I believe so.
Lucy, did she give the note back to you?
I don't remember that she did.
So, one of you is telling lie. Certainly. Hey, Bianca, I don't want to make you scared. But were you aware of what would happen to Lucy if she were accused of cheating on the test?
No, I don't know.
Is Lucy your bestie?
Yeah, she is.
So, why don't you tell the truth? Mr. Williams, sorry for interrupting, but I object to the way you are talking to the kids. Are you trying to make her feel guilty? I'm sorry, I don't mean that.
Lucy, I'm sorry. I was cheating on the test and I put a note back into your pocket. When Miss Michelle was coming to us, I was so frightened. I did not know what to do. I could not think, so... So what? Are you kidding me? I thought we were friends. How could you do something bad to me? I'm speechless. I hate you. I'm really sorry. Please don't hate me. I'm sorry, Miss Michelle. I was too tired to study for the test last night. Please forgive me. It's okay, I understand, Bianca. I'm sorry, Lucy, I was wrong. I hope you will not be upset about me.
Okay, now everything is clear. I will take my daughter home today. We need to talk about it. I felt insulted, honestly.